King Street. It's one of the about 4 or 5 streets that the City of Dublin, in their infinite wisdom, has closed and turned into malls. And we're shooting this video for you in 4K and 60 frames per second, which gives you the best color rendition. The building to the left, where I am, is what the exterior of that building, the mall that we did a video of previously, looks like. It's another cafe, and nothing significant down this street. It has also been converted to a large shopping mall. You can get everything here. Run shop. Sculpted. Self-jewelers. The sun is to our background, so we're going to walk right down the middle of Grafton Street. So you see the buildings, the stores, and the people, and feel as though you're right here walking along with us. It's being brought to you in by Gary's Tours, and it's in 4K and 60 frames per second. Yes, you're in YouTube. Congratulations. Yes, I like your outfit. We have a Disney store. We have United Colors of Benetton, store number 2 in this area. We have a Foot Locker. We have a North Face. And it's proven. What they do is they require that the products be brought in the middle of the night, which the stores don't mind because they're getting the traffic they wouldn't normally get. Canada Goose, Lego, Burger King, King of Trainers, Levi's, and someone's putting on a free concert for you. I saw it coming way down the line. I knew in the end you'd never be mine. Are you being my favorite? Don of London, Jamaica and Waffles, John Brighton. Here's another street that we come into the mall. This street is called Ann Street. We're going to the Church of St. Anne. It's been turned into a mall as well. We have John Jewelers, the White Company of London, Rick's Electric, Card Gallery, Victoria's Secret, of course, you have that here. Over on your left, or right, rather, as you say. You have a young lady performing her songs, trying to get discovered. Sweat. Soon to be joined by another. Chinese restaurant. The street is actually paved with large polished pavements. Doc Martens, Fields, Dairies, Pharmacy, they made a outdoor mall. Days when the weather is like this, a beautiful day. Look at the flowers over here. They look better if they're in the sun. It's absolutely beautiful there, isn't it? They're beautiful. Pandora again, Thomas Brown, another person expressing himself with a saxophone. M&S, it's called. And a Hawaiian shirt playing a saxophone. A Brown Thomas store. And Skechers. I wear Skechers and recommend them. Dior. I actually sell Dior products in one of my stores. Body shop. McDonald's, Weir and Sons. And yet another street. This is called Wicklow Street. Wicklow Street is another street turned into a pedestrian mall. I love it. You can only do so many streets in one day before we bore you. And we don't like to bore you. The AIB Bank. Remember we told you previously there's only really two banks in Ireland, AIB and Bank of Ireland. And Bank of Ireland is really the Irish government. They have a mixed role. I've learned that they actually are in charge of regulating the entire insurance industry. Any type of insurance sold in Ireland is regulated by the Bank of Ireland. That's about it. There's a mosquito out here. Stop now to avoid redundancy. Let's listen to the gentleman playing his saxophone. I don't think it's anything recognizable. It's probably made up. Charlotte Tilly. M&S Food Hall. Pandora. We're going back to another street. Ann Street, why don't we? The smell of flowers is wonderful. Bailey Bar and Cafe. And Mulberry. Street is, this is not Ann Street, it's a different street. This street has a lot of pubs and bars on it. And we'll walk here and see what other streets have been so designated as mall streets.
I can't believe I didn't tell you our incident, Matthew. That's very nice.
shall, so we must say.
Let's see what this street is. This appears to be Ann Street. We have Grafton Avenue. I want to see where the church at the end of this street. Mont Blanc for pens. Astra Miu. Another bar. Restaurant, another burger, gourmet burger kitchen, a Grafton barber, and Eddie Rockets. Eddie Rockets is also in the mall that we watched. Went to read a previous video on the mall. It's stylized as a 50s American hamburger place. Links, Kehoe's Pub, and there's the church, I presume is St. Anne's Church. We're going to end this video as walkable streets at this time. This is Gary's Tours. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. John Kehoe's 9. Guinness.